have your past on a doc, gusto naman namin makita yung present mo on a presentation. Gusto mo yan?
Ganon!
Thanks to the magic of docs to decks.
Isa pa yan ha.
Yes.
Sino nagsulat yan? In fairness.
Baus, we want to know more about where you are now in life.
Right now, I'm in the thick of creating content about the dynamic world of corporate and also, doing a lot of shows, stand-up, improv, and also producing mga drag shows that provides much more color into my life. So I guess in summary, kung saan ako kailangan mag-song and dance number ng universe for that day, andun po ako.
Meron ka bang mga crazy big goals? May mga gusto ka pa bang gawin?
Actually, akala ko big na ako mag-set ng goals, pero
Yes.
itong si Canva, pinupush pa ako to make
Of
it crazy.
course.
I do see myself continuing to make people laugh and, just keep bringing them joy, whether that be headlining my own stand-up show. That's really part of my bucket list, and that's I do feel like that's on the horizon for me. Or being a corporate clown on social media, producing shows, whether it's my own stand-up or improv or drag shows. I just want to keep bringing a little laughter.
I personally appreciate you opening your heart, your life to us dito sa presentation na ginawa
Yes,
mo.
I mean, sabi nila rage. So,
Yes.
rage game.
Yay! Thank you, Baus!